In this video, I'll detail how to fix Gmail not showing notifications on home screen on iPhone. So this is my Gmail, and here I have all notifications shown on the home screen. This includes unread messages and new messages like this. So if I don't know this video, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to fix Gmail notifications not showing on home screen on iPhone, all you just need to do is open the settings app on your iPhone. While on the settings page, scroll down and click on Gmail. Scroll down, locate the Gmail application at the bottom. But if you're using iOS 18, just click on Apps. Then scroll down until you get to Gmail and then click on it. So you need to select the Gmail application here, then click on that. Once you selected the Gmail application, the next thing you want to do is want to click on Notifications. Then here, make sure notification is turned on. If it is turned off, once it is turned on, to receive notifications on home screen on your iPhone, turn on banners. This. Make sure this is enabled. So if you disable this, you'll not be able to receive notifications on your home screen. Turn on notification center, lock screen, turn all this. This will show your Gmail notifications when your iPhone screen is locked. This will show the notifications on the control center just like this. You can see I have some notifications here, just like this. Then the banner. Now scroll down and choose show preview. Then click never. This will never show your Gmail notifications even when your iPhone is unlocked. Now to configure the type of notification receive on your iPhone home screen from your Gmail, just click on Gmail notifications, settings. Then here, you'll be able to configure your Gmail notifications. So click on email notifications. Then how do you want to receive your notifications? Click on all email, primary only, high priority only, none. So if you set the primary only, this is going to only alert you with the primary notifications only on your iPhone. You can also change the welcome sound. So once that is done, go back, and that is all you need to do. Then go back to the iPhone settings. On the settings page, you need to turn on background app refresh. If background app refresh is not enabled, you should not be able to receive notification promptly on your iPhone because the Gmail application will not be able to refresh the app automatically on your iPhone. Then all you just need to do here is go back to your iPhone settings. On settings page, scroll down, click on general. Under general, locate background app refresh. Now, if background app refresh is turned off on your iPhone, turn this on by choosing Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then this implies that your iPhone apps will refresh whenever you are using mobile or you are on Wi-Fi. Then scroll down and locate the Gmail application here. So if this is turned off, make sure this is enabled. Once you enable background app refresh, just need to close this page. And whenever you have a notifications from Gmail, the notification will appear on your iPhone home screen, lock screen, and as well as the control center. So this can easily fix Gmail notifications not showing on home screen on iPhone. If you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.